first 2 steps to being fully booked. Hey, welcome to Brow Tab's channel. This is for beauty artists who want to build your businesses, make more money, and be the go-to in what you do. For entrepreneurs who are ready to cut through the bullshit and what it takes to be successful and put in the work to get what you really want. I'm Alex, your host, a beauty entrepreneur with a background in economics and hospitality and a passion for success, mindset, and manifestation. So, are you with me? Good. Let's dive in. So, the 2 first steps is probably a lot more simple than you expected. It's deciding what you want is step 1. The dream, the goal of being fully booked is real in the beauty industry. It's the dream we are sold when we sign up for our first fundamentals course. We want to be a fully booked artist. We want to be booked and busy, right? But the truth is that is different for everyone. So if this is your goal, if being fully booked is what you really want, then step 1 is to decide and declare that this is truly what you want, and then to define what fully booked means for you. So it's different for all of us because all of our lives are different. All of our wants are different. All of our businesses are different. So what does fully booked mean to you? For me, fully booked is 2 clients a day, 3 to 4 days a week, because that's how often I want to see clients. I want chiller days. I want more time out of the studio to grow Brow Tab and to create more content like this for you. But 2 or 3 years ago, my definition of fully booked was totally different. Fully booked for me was 4 back-to-back clients, 4 to 5 days per week. I wanted that back-to-back vibe. I wanted the rush of the busy. I wanted to end my day exhausted because my focus was more on my studio business, my clients, than it was on Brow Tab like it is now. And it's different for everyone. I was chatting with a friend this summer who's also a PMU artist, and we were chatting about business, and she said she was so happy with the amount of clients that she had. And so I asked her, what does that mean to you? And she said 3 to 4 clients per month. To her, that was her fully booked because she's a mom, she's a yoga instructor, and that's where she's happy because that's what she really wants. So it's different for all of us. Your fully booked may be closer to what my friend considers her fully booked, or you may be wanting to be as busy or busier than what I wanted to be 3 years ago. And believe me, busier is possible. I know artists out there who are seeing 5 clients per day, 6 days a week. It's wild. So whatever you want is cool because it's what you want. So take some time to truly think about what it is that fully booked means for you and be honest about it. Really think about how you want your business to be, how you want your days to be, and also potentially what you can handle given your life, your family, your other jobs you may have, other commitments you may have. I'm going to give you some homework this week to really think about it and write it down to decide what your fully booked means to you. And this can be done in 2 different ways. So you can decide how many clients you want per day, per week, per month, what fully booked is for you in that sense. For example, I want to see 3 clients per day, 5 days a week, or I want to see 15 clients a week, or I want to see 60 clients a month, whatever makes most sense for you. Or you can decide how much money you want to make every week or every month. I don't recommend making this on a per day basis because there can be too much fluctuation in that sense. But for example, I want to make $1,500 a week, or I want to make $6,000 a month. So choose the way that makes the most sense for you, but decide what fully booked means for you. And the reason why this is so important is because the next step is to set a goal. Goals are your destination, and you need to know where you're going first so you can figure out how you can get there. And when we do set goals, we need the what, the why, the how, and the when. And your fully booked number, whether it's client number or money number, is your what, the what of your goal. And next up, we need to figure out your why, your how, and your when. And this is where it gets a little bit more complicated because this is how we figure out how you're going to reach that goal, right? The how, and where other factors come in like time and cost of your services, they actually come into play. That's why I'm hosting a free live masterclass all about goal setting on December 10th, where we will dive into the why, the how, and the when so you can set tangible goals and create a plan, a roadmap to achieving them just in time for 2025. You can join the live by clicking the link in the caption to sign up now. So set some time to figure out what your fully booked number looks like for you, and then start thinking about your why. why you want this, because this is going to be your driving force that gets you there. Thanks for watching today. Click that link in the caption to sign up for the masterclass. While you're at it, please hit like and subscribe. I put out new videos every week. I'll see you then.